Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how to multiply integers. To multiply integers, just remember this. If the factors have same signs, then the product is positive. If the factors have different signs, then the product is negative. Here we have three questions which ask whether the product is negative or positive. In question 1, we have negative 8 multiplied by positive 8, which is equal to 64. Since they both have different signs, then 64 is a negative number. In question 2, we have negative 10 multiplied by negative 10, which is equal to the product of 100. And since they have different signs, then 100 is a negative number. And finally, we have 276 multiplied by 100. Since they both have different signs, then the product must equal to a negative number. Goodbye, and I hope you also liked the video and learned a lot.